Hello everyone and welcome back to today's morning report. Charts appraisal on Thursday the 9th of June with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Antec Markets. We've got this cable chart now and we're increasingly messy on this cable chart really, isn't it? It's not really showing any real direction. I've drawn in this uptrend this morning. You could argue there is a mild but positive bias, but again I don't really see it as being anything other than what it has become in the last sort of month or so, which is a very choppy range play. These candles in the last few days, bull, bear, bull, bear. We've actually got a bearish one today, developing about 30-40 ticks down. I don't really see it as gaining any real sort of traction either way. Momentum indicator is very neutral. RSI's just ticked lower again. This morning with the slight sell-off that we've got. MACD line's basically neutral, stochastic's very slightly rising, but again nothing really that you'd hang your hat on. I would say that you've got a sequence of lower highs here, 47.70, 47.38, 47.23, 46.43. Sort of sequence of lower highs just rolling over, but to be honest it's coming back towards this uptrend. So again, if you're seeing lower highs and higher lows, that would suggest very much of a consolidation phase, and you're sort of waiting for the real sort of catalyst, and I think that's obviously going to come with Brexit. I'm not really expecting, unless there's a significant shift in the polls, I don't really think that, or a trend of polls that come out in the next sort of few days, I don't really think that we're going to see any real sort of decisive move. I think you're going to see on a day-to-day basis choppy higher, choppy lower, and a continuation of this rather messy range play that we've got here. You can see it on the hourly chart, it's even messier. And you've got a slight pivot around 44.70, a very slight pivot, and actually is now broken through that, so even then it's not really all that useful. So I think that you've obviously got the 43.50 is the main support that comes in on the hourly chart, and that is above 43.30, which is the key May low. 43.30, that's 43.50 from Monday. In the medium, sort of in the near term, you've still got this minor reaction low. I say minor, 44.33, but again, it's all very much sort of choppy, very sideways move. You've had sort of just a sell-off in the last hour or so, as sort of apparently gilt, there was quite a significant move into the gilt markets in buying bonds, UK bonds, so that has helped to drag sterling lower, but ultimately I don't really think that this is anything other than just a further continuation of this very messy move. Now, you would argue on a near-term basis you've broken down below sort of very short-term support of 44.90. You could argue that's a continuation pattern. Again, you could argue that's a small top pattern below 45 figure, so you'd measure 46 figure to 45, that gives you 44 figure as a downside break target. So you've got another 50 pips potentially on that move, but again it's still within this choppy range play, and I think it's just playing out as part of that. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.